our new roost. The way it works is there is a hook down at the bottom. There are 2 hinges along the top. When you're ready to muck, you lift up the entire thing and hook it on the thicker rope that we've installed. That way you have a lot of freedom to move back and forth and muck. When you're ready to bring it down, lift up, undo your rope, and gently swing it back down. Do not drop it. It is likely to damage the roost if you drop it. Probably is fine, but we just install it. Be nice. When we're treating the chickens, we can move to either side of it to treat them. And we're going to leave it down most of the time. We're only going to bring it up and hang it while we're actually mucking. For me, what I like to do when mucking is to take some type of fork. I'm going to buy us a fine tine fork that's even smaller than this. But I look for the larger pieces of poop, get them on the fork, and throw them into the bucket. Pretty much you scoop and shake to get rid of the extra shavings, so we can try to save them up. I've seen some folks take their spoon or their shovel and just scoop everything up and dump it, but it's pretty wasteful. So I recommend the other option. When we have the fine fork, it'll be a lot easier, and I can show people at that time. If you have any questions or any issues, please let me know. And thank you, David, for making this really cool roost.